Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz out of note in Notability document. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you will open up the note which you want to transfer into the quiz. When you've done that, just head over here to the right top corner next to the monitor, the next icon with this paper and the star. Click on it, and here you will see down below a quiz option. If you click it, you can now create a quiz, but why it's not working now? So let's try another way here. Quiz. If I click on the here, and now they are working on generating your study material. Sadly, I don't have it here in this note, but I'm not sure why it's not working right now. This one, but this way you can create yourself a really nice quiz option. Let's try this one if it will be available. Just like that, as you can see now, the Notability created a quiz here, short quiz. We can here explain this, skip previous. We can also fill the blanks, flashcard. We can also create a flashcard in here. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can create a quiz or a flashcard. So we can wait for this. And as you can see here, here are the flashcards. Fill the blanks. It's this kind of way of the quiz. Mix and match. We have also this. And then we can connect between them, as you can see. So these are the types of quiz that we can create here in the Notability from the notes. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.